Did you know that all great thinkers throughout history were woodworkers? I didn't know this until a couple of weeks ago. In fact, it was Confucius who first said, "Measure twice, cut once. Not doing so makes one a dunce." I had no idea. So I wondered, what other great thinkers throughout history had words of wisdom for woodworking? So after a couple of weeks of scouring the internet, going through countless books at the local library, I have found the top 5 woodworking words of wisdom. Number 1, while using a hammer, the wise woodworker hits the nail, while the foolish woodworker hits their thumb. Number 2, while using power tools, the wise woodworker uses caution, while the foolish woodworker is careless. Oh, mommy, oh, mommy, oh, mommy. Number 3, while lifting heavy objects, the wise woodworker lifts with their legs, while the foolish woodworker lifts with their back. Mommy, Number 4, when making large tool purchases, the wise woodworker talks it over with their significant other, while the foolish woodworker tries to hide it. Honey, I'm home.
Hey, how about we go out to eat and celebrate your new table saw?
Baby, please, just let me in the house. I'm sorry.
Shut up and go away!
But it's cold out here. It's raining. I just want to come in the house. I'm tired, please.
I'm tired. I'm tired of you making purchases without my consent.
But baby, I'm sorry. It was on sale. I couldn't help myself. Please let me in the house.
No. Go away.
Mom, can I stay with you for a couple of days? I don't know what her problem is. She just freaked out for nothing. No, I didn't do anything, Mom. It's all her. She's just being mean. And lastly, number 5. The wise woodworker takes pride in their work and only offers their very best, while the foolish woodworker tries to sell junk. So, what do you think?
Oh, it's perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. I love how you distressed it. The top, the shelves, put my magazines, pottery. It's beautiful. You did a great job.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Load it up, please.
Well, what do you think?
Of what?
Your new end table. It's the new style. It's perfect. Don't you like it?
This?
Yeah, that's what you wanted. You wanted a new farmhouse style distressed look end table. This is it.
Okay, well, I'm not living in a farm, so has dust and cobweb. This is not what I want. I'm not paying $300 for this.
Be careful with it. This is exactly what you asked for. This is perfect. It is going to be $300.
I'm not paying $300.
You're going to pay me $300.
This is worth $3.
No, it's worth it's actually worth $500.
Okay.
Oh, mommy. Okay, guys, this was a fun one to make. My wife and I had a blast doing it. I think she might have enjoyed slapping me a little bit too much, but anyway, it was all in good fun. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you liked it. If you got any value at all out of it, even if it's just entertainment value, hit the like button. Subscribe to see what's coming up next, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of everything else that we've got coming up. And also, if you would like to see more of these kind of funny videos or just project videos or whatever, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to see it again. Let me know if you hated it. Just let me know something in the comments. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.